Hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel Enjoy English. My name is Anjali and I hope you all are doing well. Guys, today's video is very special because today I am going to tell you about how to speak English from zero level. From many days, you are thinking to learn English, but the crux of the matter is you don't know where to start from, what to learn. You don't know actually what is going to be right for you or what's not. I think in such situation, you need some guidance. As I have your best interest at heart, I created a video to guide you throughout this. So let's get ready to know how to speak English from zero level. So, number one is listening. Yes, guys. If you are serious about learning to speak English, first and foremost, you are required to listen. Listen as many English content as you can because it is the prime requirement of any language in the world. So listen carefully just like a child does. Alright? So this is what about number one. Now let's quickly move on to the number two. Number two is reading. Yes, guys. Read out loud because it will not just help you to train your tongue to speak English, but also it will help you to know the structure of the language. It will give you the sense of how to use the language. So, read simple storybooks, articles of your favorite movie star, or something else. I am telling you to read your favorite stuffs because reading your favorite stuffs leads to fun, excitement, curiosity, which seems no longer a study but a fun. So, read your favorite one. While doing so, you must have your pen and notebook ready so that you can note down the words and phrases which you found difficult to read. Alright, so this is what about number 2. Now let's quickly move on to the number 3. Number 3 is watch English content. You know what? When you watch content in a language you are trying to learn, you actually learn the language effectively. So, watch movies or videos, blogs, all these will help you to learn the language effectively. I am telling you to watch blogs, videos, movies because these contain words and phrases which are trendy, popular, and common among people. So, watch videos, blogs, movies, or something else. Alright? Guys, in your initial days of learning English, I will highly recommend you to on subtitles because it will help you to note down the words and phrases which you found difficult to understand. Alright? So, do this. This is what about number 3. Now, let's quickly move on to the number 4. Number 4 is vocabulary. After immersing yourself in listening, reading, watching, you are required to learn words and phrases. Guys, in your initial days of learning English, I will highly recommend you to learn ready-made phrases and stylish sentences because it will boost your confidence level to learn English. Alright? So, try to learn ready-made phrases and sentences. Alright? So, this is what about number 4. Now let's quickly move on to the number 5. Number 5 is try to create sentences. Yes, guys. After learning words and phrases, you are required to create sentences. Guys, here I will recommend you to create sentences in your mind because it will help you to train your mind to think in English. So, do this from today. Alright? So, this is what about number 5. Now, let's quickly move on to the number 6. Number 6 is speak English as soon as possible. Yes, guys. You know what? Speaking is the pretty much only way to learn a language effectively. So, speak as soon as possible. Guys, here I will recommend you to break your mental barrier. Yes, guys. Break your mental barrier that what people think of you, are they going to judge you, or you might do mistakes. All these mental barrier will stop you from speaking English. So first break your mental barrier and then speak freely. Alright? One more thing that I would like to add here is you must have your personal goal in your mind, like why you are learning English. Alright, because when you have your personal goal in your mind, you actually learn the language effectively according to your needs. Alright, so have your personal goal in your mind. So this is what about for today's video. I hope you like this. If you really did, then please let me know in the comment section. It will give me a great pleasure to read them. And yes, of course, like, share and subscribe. I will come soon with another interesting video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.